What if the answer to anxiety, poor sleep, and stress has been inside you your entire life? Not in a pill, not in an app, in your own voice. Namaste. I am Vivek Verma. For more than 40 years, I have practiced Indian classical vocal music, mantra sadhana, and Kriya Yoga. Today, I help high performers, entrepreneurs, leaders, professionals, and spiritual seekers overcome anxiety, poor sleep, stress, low confidence, and inner emptiness using the most powerful instrument they already possess, their own voice. No pills, no apps, no complicated techniques. Just the timeless science of Vedic sound. Over the years, I watched brilliant people struggle. Successful founders couldn't sleep. Executives woke up every night at 3 a.m. with anxiety. Professionals looked successful on the outside but felt exhausted within. Many were prescribed sleeping pills. Others downloaded meditation apps. Some felt temporary relief, many did not. What surprised me was this: almost everyone ignored the greatest healing instrument they were born with, their own voice. In the Vedic tradition, voice is not only for speaking or singing. Voice is vibration. Vibration influences breath. Breath influences the nervous system. And when the nervous system changes, the mind begins to change. Thousands of years ago, our sages understood this through direct experience. Modern research is also exploring how slow breathing, humming, and vocal sound can help people relax and support healthy nervous system function. That inspired me to revisit everything my gurus had taught me. I combined decades of classical vocal training, mantra practice, Kriya Yoga, and modern understanding of breath, sound, and relaxation. Let me show you something right now. Sit comfortably, keep your spine straight, close your eyes, place one hand gently over your heart, take a slow breath in, and as you breathe out, simply hum with me. So hum. Can you feel the gentle vibration inside your chest, around your throat, perhaps even in your face? Many people notice that humming naturally slows the breath and helps the body settle into a calmer state. Chanting thrice just 3 minutes before bed can become a beautiful evening ritual. Simple, natural, powerful. Once your mind becomes quieter, the next step is restoring your energy. In the yogic tradition, this energy is called prana, your life force. When prana flows freely, you often feel lighter, clearer, and more balanced. One of my favorite morning practices is this beautiful mantra, Hari Om Tat Sat. Traditionally sung in Raga Ahir Bhairav, one of India's most peaceful morning ragas. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and chant with me. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. Allow the sound to gently fill your body. Many practitioners use this mantra as a way to begin the day with calmness, gratitude, and inner harmony. When the mind becomes peaceful and your energy feels balanced, it is time to build inner strength. For that, I practice one of the world's most revered mantras, Om Namah Shivaya. This mantra represents surrender to the highest consciousness. Its 5 sacred syllables are traditionally associated with the 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, and ether. In yogic tradition, chanting this mantra is believed to help bring balance to the body's subtle energy centers and deepen one's connection with the divine. Let's chant together. Om Namah Shivaya. Feel every vibration. No force, no effort, just awareness. 3 simple steps. Step 1. Reset. Calm the nervous system. Improve sleep. Reduce stress. Quiet mental chatter. Using carefully selected mantras and sound practices. Step 2. Rebuild. Balance prana. Restore positive energy. Release inner heaviness using ancient mantras, breath, and healing ragas. Step 3. Radiate. When your mind is calm, your energy balanced, and your heart open, people notice. You become more present, more confident, and more grounded. Your family feels it. Your work reflects it. Your health benefits from it. Your presence becomes your greatest strength. If you struggle with anxiety, if sleep has become difficult, if stress follows you everywhere, and if you feel emotionally exhausted, or if despite success something inside still feels empty, perhaps your greatest medicine has been with you all along. Your own voice. Begin today. Practice these simple sounds. Experience them for yourself. If this video helped you, type voice in the comments below. My team will send you a free PDF containing the mantras we practiced today. Thank you for being here. May your voice become a source of healing. May your breath become your anchor. May your life become more peaceful. One vibration at a time. I am Vivek Verma. Namaste.